Hey y'all, my name is Ben McLean with Continuous Agenics. So I want to show you a quick video of me working on something a little more complex. I had a video of just changing the header or the hero section of my website. This time I want to do something different, something a little more complicated. Um, so right there you have Get in Touch there on the top. If you were to press that button and take you all the way down to the bottom where you can send us a message, check out the website, check out the video. If you want to see something real quick, it's less than 90 seconds. So Calendly allows you to set up a demo time where we're free. So you get to pick the day, you get to pick the time. And so long as we have that spot free, we'll reserve it and we can get on a call with y'all. Okay, so I want to put that. Let's see. So let's talk. Let's do it. So let's talk to Ariadne. She is our project manager. So I'm going to tell you, Ariadne, we want to add Calendly to our marketing website. I'm going to give it the code that they gave us. Copy, paste it in there. And then I'm going to describe how I want that button, just in plain English. So it needs to look the same as to the left of Get in Touch, and it needs to be the same purple as the bottom, the lower Get in Touch. Okay, cool. All right, so there she goes. So she's looking at it. She's trying to understand what it is I'm talking about. If it's really simple, she'll just go ahead and forward it. If it's a little more complex, she's going to ask me for clarifying information. So let's see what she does. Oh, and here you can see that the color, the HTML came with specific colors, but I told it to do purple. Let's see how it handles that. That'll be interesting. Okay. What'd she say? Confirm and I'll create the issue. Yeah, let's do it. All right, so now she's going to send a message to the developer bot, Iris, who is going to be the one performing the actual development. So we have two separate agents. So there, in Slack, you see corporate websites. So let's click on that. Okay, she's like, hey, Iris, get to work. And he's like, okay. So she's describing what it is. Perfect, cool. Okay, so she replied to Ariadne. This is what I did. There's the PR. Let's see. Let's check it out. What'd you do? Nice. Look at this beautiful front-end code that I can't read because I'm not a front-end developer. Trust this bot so much. But it's interesting to see it, right? Okay. What I didn't do. Okay, well, all that stuff is alright. It's fine. Yeah, I just wanted to get it thrown out there. Alright. I think it looks good. Let's go. We'll merge it. So that's going into our incubating branch. So that's going to deploy automatically with GitHub Actions. So let's look at that. Okay, cool. Okay, so it's going to do a build our static site and lint it. Okay, that's done. Now it's going to deploy. Look, it builds static site again, like it's duplicating work. I feel like there should be a way to cache it, right? From the build and use it in the deploy. Let's ask. I don't want to be specific about what I wanted to do. I wanted to come up with how to do it. I would assume there's some kind of caching, but let's see what it comes up with. Oh, and there you go. There's my new book a demo website. Let's see if it works. on my sandbox environment. No, absolutely not. Okay, there. Those are all the times we're open. Hopefully, some of these will be grayed out in the future. Let's see if it sends me an email. Hodor does love you. Okay, cool. Got it. Sweet. All right, so now our desktop one works. Let me look at the mobile one. Yeah, one of the buttons is too big. Nah, it's not perfect. Let's see what. Okay, so this is where Iris was working on making the build more efficient. So this is working on two different things at the same time with these bots. So multiple people, not just me. Let's say if there were two people, they could both be working with the bot as well. So that's what it currently looks like. So let's go there. This one. This was not perfect. Looks like crap. It's got to be slick looking. All right. Fast forward a little bit. I know y'all don't want to watch it thinking. Okay, so this is the change to the GitHub action file. Looks good. Squash and merge. Let's do it. Okay, so next time we merge the incubation, it's going to deploy to Sandbox using that new workflow. Let's see. So she's still working on fixing that button's fast forward time. Okay. So here she's saying that she pushed to PR 35 even though that PR was merged. So she pushed it to the branch. Fast forward, she'll make a new PR. Okay, there is the PR. All right, okay. Yes, yes, yes. LGTM. YOLO mode right here. So I trust these bots implicitly. All right, let's see how it's doing. See if it's going to deploy. So here it's doing all the, I'm going to speed up a little bit so it doesn't take as long, but now it's doing all of the building and everything. And so I want to get stats as to how long it took before the change and how long it took after the change so that we can see what kind of improvement in the deploy process that there was. So here it's not rebuilding. So let's see what Iris says about how much time it saved us. Okay, before, after, sweet. So 26 seconds. So we made our deploy 26 seconds faster. We probably spent 26 seconds talking to the bot and merging. Imagine if you had a Jenkins file and you had to figure out how to shave 26 seconds off through Jenkins. It'd be crazy. Okay, here's what it looks on my mobile now. So it looks like the change went in exactly as it should have. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, well, so that's continuous agenics. This is a slightly more advanced example than what we have posted at the top of our website, the first video we did. So, but anyway, now you get to see how it works. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Use that book a demo button we just made. And I hope to hear from you soon. We can talk about how to make this happen in your world. Thanks, y'all. Bye.